there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So let me show you how you can know it. You can tell if someone blocked you on WhatsApp if you can't see their profile picture status or online status, or if you can't message of your messages don't get delivered. So the first one is check for our profile picture. If you can't see the contact's profile picture, they may have blocked you. A blank profile picture could also indicate that you have been blocked. Check for a status. If you can't see the contact status, they might have blocked you. Check for an online status. If you can't see the contact's online status, they might have blocked you. You also won't be able to see when they were last online. Check for the message delivery. If your messages only show one check mark and don't get delivered, you may have been blocked. A single check mark means the message was sent, but the second check mark indicating delivery never appears. And you can also try making a call. You can try calling the contact using WhatsApp's voice call feature. If it doesn't reach them, then you can know they have blocked you. So yeah, these are the ways to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.